Hey guys, it's Justin here bringing you another episode of BuildingTV. Let's take a look at what's been happening. Building practitioners and contractors are reminded to be on the alert for non-conforming Soffit insulation, as some importers and merchants try to liquidate obsolete stock. Under Australian standard AS 56371, Soffit insulation installed as an exposed lining has been required to undergo a full room fire test before being used. According to Insulation Australasia's technical spokesman Keith Anderson, while all relevant insulation manufacturers are aware of the rules outlined in the National Construction Code 2016, as of May 1, 2016 in the Australian standards, not all industry participants have shown the same level of due diligence when supplying and installing compliant insulation. It is being encouraged that architects, builders and insulation installers ask for full test reports, not just test certificates, to ensure they are issued by a laboratory that's accredited to carrying out AS 56371 testing. The technical specification for the labelling of aluminium composite panel products has been published and provides minimum requirements for the marking of ACPs to enable identification throughout the life of the product. It has been in development since early 2018 when the Building Ministers Forum asked Standards Australia to develop a permanent labelling system of products. It worked with a range of technical experts to develop an industry-backed guidance system. Standards Australia General Manager Adam Stingemore says fires at La Crosse and Grenfell have led to this publication. However, this is a good news story which is a step towards addressing this challenge for the building sector. The publication covers the entire ACP product supply chain, including manufacturers, suppliers, designers, installers, testing bodies, certification bodies, regulators and building surveyors. Yvonne Pengilly has been appointed as the new Assistant Commissioner for the Queensland Building and Construction Commission. She has had an extensive career in the industry, with roles including Project Superintendent, Regional Manager and Company Director. Yvonne is a licensed open builder and has held board positions with 2 state regulatory authorities and was an electoral committee member of Master Builders Queensland. In 2013, she was awarded the MBQ State Women in Building Award and used the platform to establish Women in Construction FNQ, which promotes engagement of engineers, architects and builders in far north Queensland. In her new role, Yvonne will be responsible for leading more than 200 staff from across a range of teams to regulate building standards and quality. A major task she will be undertaking is warding off serious building defects seen in southern states, such as with the Opal and Mascot Towers in Sydney's inner south. The Safe Cladding, Buildings and Façade Innovation Summit Series was launched in 2018 with the purpose of helping stakeholders within the Australian building and construction sector navigate new legislation and reforms, implement better practices, and develop strategies and solutions to ensure the safety and compliance of current and future buildings. As the first and only national event series, this year the summit will be running in Melbourne in November 2019 and Sydney and Brisbane in February 2020. Topics to be explored include where the Australian and New Zealand building and construction sectors are moving, fire safety measures, and what the new NCC requirements mean for organisations and how to implement best practice standards in safe cladding, building and facade innovation. For more information on the event, check out scb.eventedge.com. Well, that's it for this edition of BuildingTV. For more news and updates, be sure to check out buildingconnection.com.au and like and follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. Until next time, take care.